Today, I'm going to show you how I fixed this broken faucet. The first thing I did was use the basin wrench to unscrew the water line from the faucet. After that, I tried to dismantle the faucet from the water line, but everything was rusted over and it got stuck. So I tried unscrewing and it just would not work. I couldn't get the nut off because it was so rusted over. I used some WD-40 to help loosen it, and it worked! I was so shocked. I was afraid I might have to use a nut splicer, but thankfully, some good old WD-40 helped. After finally removing the old faucet, then I started cleaning up so that I could start working and putting on the new faucet. This new faucet that I got was just something that I found at Home Depot. It looked very similar to the previous faucet, so I figured why not. And I should have looked at the instructions, but I just reverse engineered from when I dismantled it. And after assembling it, I realized that, well, I was having some issues installing the water line to the faucet. And yeah, there's a reason I'm not wearing my blue shirt anymore because, well, water got all over it. Well, I came into some issues because I don't have enough finger strength. So, I have a plan. I couldn't finish this last night, but I'm determined to finish it today. So, I'm gonna restart everything and try to figure out how to fix this. Alright, let's go. I was having the most difficult time trying to tighten everything from underneath. So I figured I would undo everything and tighten everything from up above. So that's what I'm doing right now, is unscrewing everything so that I could tighten everything from above and then cram everything down into those little holes. All the wrenches were used here. I used a faucet wrench, a pipe wrench, and a slip joint pliers in order for me to get this tightened. So you do not want any leaks. After all this was securely tightened, I then shoved everything down in those little holes. After they were shoved down in there, then it was much easier for me to attach those water lines to the main water valve. Oh man, way easier than before. Moment of justice. Let's see if it works. Crossing fingers. No leaks so far. Victory! Then I made sure to cut the water again, and also the spray to make sure that that worked. And it does! And I did it! Yay! All by myself. It only took several days. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch any other videos, then click right over there. Thanks guys, and I will see you soon. Bye!